Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting or coupon code deals. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger through a special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landing to a page like this. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 95% off. So first of all, I'm going to close this Kodee AI app. It's an amazing AI app by Hostinger which can help you to automate and manage your task at Hostinger. So the first thing I like on Hostinger is their 30 days money back guarantee. It's an amazing exclusive feature by Hostinger. And if you scroll below, look around on 71,000 reviews on Trustpilot. Now, Trustpilot is an industry's independent review-based website. Let's see what people are saying for Hostinger over here. So, if you look around over here, I'm going to scroll back to the reviews. Hostinger has the most efficient and helpful AI agent I have ever worked with to answer all your questions about how to get things done in the web builder. Amazing. Kodee never fails to provide a clear answer. You can see it's always a very good, and I minimize the Kodee app at the start. 5-star review, 5-star review, 5-star review, 5-star review, 5-star review, 5-star review. So the majority of the reviews are either the 5-star or the 4-star reviews. So which is why I'm here with the up to 95% off deal for my audience. Again, you have to click on the link in the description and then follow this tutorial in order to get up to 95% discount. So these are some of the reviews regarding Hostinger, what people are seeing for Hostinger, and Hostinger is also being featured on all of these famous websites around the world. You can create websites with Hostinger Horizon. It's an AI tool which can, you just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create a website for you. Scroll down, now you're being presented with build a WordPress website. So in case if you want to build a WordPress website, you can easily build a WordPress website through Hostinger. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger is a dedicated migrated Hostinger service. So first of all, look around for WordPress. So if you want to create a blog like mine, you can easily create over here. Again, make sure to click on the link in the description. You will be landed over here to the plans. The plans are the same either you are from there or here. So also Hostinger offer you free website migration. Again, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing offer. This is valid, you can get up to $2,600 off, where the competitor charges you this amount. Hostinger offer you all this free of cost. Now move back over here. And 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. Hostinger is being currently serving in 150 plus countries, 20 years of experience, and right now 10 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And even I'm using it, which is why I'm here with the up to 95% discount deal over here. Scroll below over here. Now directly move to the plans. Hostinger offers you 3 plans: premium, unlimited, and cloud starter. These are special limited time deals running right now. Again, make sure to click on the link in the description. Now you can get up to 95% off on unlimited plan, but with other plans you can also get a good discount. My recommendation is to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before opting for one. Do your research. For instance, the premium has SSD storage, and unlimited and cloud setup has NVMe storage, which is even faster. But do your requirement and simply select the choose plan over here. It's 80% off right now. But once you select the choose plan, I'm going to make it up to 95% off for you guys. So once you select the choose plan, now you will be redirected to another page. And over here you can see Hostinger offers you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. If you want to save the maximum amount of money, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. These are special exclusive prices for my audience, and I want you guys to take the advantage of it. Again, what you have to do is simply click on the link in the description, follow the tutorial over here, and after this you can claim a free domain right now over here by writing it, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. I'm going to make it over here because the free domain is only valid for the 1 year. So I'm going to make it 1 year for you over here. After this, you can see your order summary over here. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you simply apply the coupon code over here, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now do your math over here. It's 80% off plus free daily backup, free domain, 10% additional over here, free mailboxes as well. So it's up to 95% over here. Now simply select the continue over here. 30 days money back guarantee is valid, and you may we move on to the last part. You may be asked to log in at Hostinger, need to create a new account at Hostinger. So after this, you may land over here, check your or write your billing details over here, write your billing details, simply continue over here, and after this see your order summary over here, everything is fine. Write your credit card details over here, or choose other payment method. Hosting or offer you variety of payment method to pay your payment. Now this is very good. They offer you flexible payment option solutions. You can choose any, write your credit card details and simply select submit payment, and within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, which is why I'm recommending you to enjoy this amazing offer where you can get up to 95% discount from Hostinger. So enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger with a special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. So good luck.